A parasite infects mice and switches off their fear of cats. The mouse stays alive, but the instinct is gone, and this is real. Now imagine waking up one day and walking somewhere. You never meant to go. You don't question it. You're moving, but you're not the one deciding. Ask yourself, are you really in control? For an infected mouse, the answer is no. Normally, you wouldn't step onto the road because you know you could get hit. You learned this a long time ago. Stop, stay back, wait until it's green. But this time, the light is still red, and you step forward. Why would your brain suddenly betray its most basic instinct, survival? In nature, this is not a story. It's a system, and it exists right outside your door. It's one of many parasites that survive by using another body, in this case, a mouse. This parasite works like a hacker, just installing malware. In this case, altering the fear response. The body keeps working. The warning never reaches the user. The parasite is called Toxoplasma gondii. You've been afraid of heights your whole life. Your body always knew what to do. No thinking. Just stop. Until one day, it doesn't. And suddenly, you're on a plane you don't even remember getting there. The door opens. Wind, noise, chaos. Your heart should race. Your hands should freeze. Every instinct should scream. They don't. You stand up. You move toward the opening. Not because you're brave. Not because you want to. Because the signal that usually stops you is silent. Even if heights aren't your fear, you know the feeling. Spiders, snakes, crowds, elevators, dark places. You would normally avoid whatever scares you. But now you don't. And you might think, losing fear doesn't sound that bad. For the mouse, it's the worst thing that can happen. And the strange part is, you almost don't notice it. Somewhere in a quiet garden, under a big tree, bees are humming. Flowers are blooming. Everything feels calm, normal. Nothing looks broken, and that's the trick. The mouse isn't broken. It's used. The system is still running, just not for the mouse anymore. It's programmed to become transport. A taxi, carrying the parasite, exactly where it needs to go. The cat. The mouse isn't just caught, it's actively moving toward it, seeking it. And then it's gone. That's the key. It can only reproduce inside cats. A tiny organism, hijacking a mind. If it can do this to a mouse, what is it doing to us? This isn't some exotic jungle parasite. This is about your house cat, the one sitting on your couch, right now. The one running through your garden. And yes, this thing actually exists. It's real. It's one of the most widespread parasites in the world. It's nearly everywhere. And if you've ever had a cat, you've been closer to it than you think. Globally, roughly 1 out of 3 people carry the parasite. Let that sink in. 1 out of 3. But would it guide a human toward danger the way it guides the mouse? In us, the system keeps running. The signal isn't removed, it's just altered. Some studies have observed subtle behavioral differences in people who carry the parasite, but researchers are still debating how much influence it really has. Most people never notice anything at all, because what feels like control can be shaped in ways we rarely see. If a single parasite can alter instinct in other living beings, it makes you wonder what other biological influences might be shaping behavior. Once you see it, reality can feel worse than fiction.